Assalamu alaikum students. As you all know that Harka has just announced a writing skill competition. So I have made a short video on writing skill competition, creative writing skill competition. So the categories are like content and body. They will going to judge on your content and body. Plus they will going to judge your sentence formation and your style and your creativity. So these are the four areas your creative writing should be judged. So how the marks distribution, the marks distribution will be content and body, it carries 40 points. So in order to create the content or the main body paragraph, your main body paragraph should comprise of controlling idea, it carries 10 points. Then clearly developed sporting ideas, it carries 10 points. Scheme of order 10 points, and sense of completeness, it carries 10 points. So how to compose a body paragraph? So in order to create a body paragraph, I have just shared an example. Look carefully students. Here the example is: the most striking advantages of the car is its convenience. So here this is the line. So the most striking advantage of the car is its convenience. So the advantage of the car is labeled as a topic sentence of the paragraph, while convenience is labeled as a controlling idea because it is supporting the topic sentence of the paragraph. Always remember that body paragraph always begins with a topic sentence along with the controlling idea. So it means that topic sentence must have a controlling idea, or it means that your paragraph should always begins with a topic sentence along with the controlling idea. So this is one of the main feature of constructing or composing a main body paragraph. And secondly, controlling idea is always supported by the supporting examples, facts or reasons. So here is the example that I am sharing. The most striking advantage of the car is its convenience. When traveling long distance, there may be only one choice of bus or train per day, which may be at an unsuitable time. The car, however, allows people to travel at any time they wish and to almost any destination they choose. So this is the sporting example, the last one. The underlined sentence: the advantage of the car is the topic sentence, while the double line sentence is labeled as the controlling idea, and controlling idea in this topic sentence is convenience. So later this controlling idea is supported by the supporting example or supporting reason. Here I am I have already highlighted uh, the term when up to choose. This is the sporting example. It starts from when and ends at choose. So this is the sporting example that support the controlling idea. That controlling idea is convenience. And you must remember that topic sentence always comes with controlling idea, and this controlling idea is always supported with the supporting example. So remember this point. And next, sentence formation. So how your sentence would be formulated? So your sentence should be complete, okay, and there should be a coordination between your sentences. It means that there should be a coherence plus use of appropriate punctuation. So it carries 10 marks. 10 marks for punctuation and 10 marks for your construction of sentences. Next, style should be effective, having proper diction, effective and varied sentence structure, and tone, consistent with topic and purpose. These 2 points carries 20 points. Last but not the least, creativity, as you all know, that it expresses the meaning through the use of imagery, narrative and drama. Now the point comes, what is imagery? Imagery, it is used to build a picture in the mind so that the audience can guess a greater understanding of the situation. And while narrative, what is narrative? Narrative is actually the written account that you share in a form of a tale or story. While drama, the drama is. So this is the creativity and it carries 20 marks. So this is the time, and this is the marking scheme for judging the creative writing skill in Hokka competition.